Are you looking for a supplier for your printing business? Watch this. Welcome to Inks to Go. They sell good quality products like printers, heat press for lanyard, heat press for caps, heat press for t-shirt. They also supply mug, inks, t-shirt, and all kinds of sublimation products. And most important of all, they offer good customer service. If you are just starting your own printing business and don't know where to start, worry no more, because they also offer digital printing seminar. They will teach you procedures and guide you on how to use the machines for your business. Just message them in their Facebook page. They are located at Pelaya Street, formerly Legazpi Street Door, 3 Daku Dao Building, Davao City, Philippines. See you and good luck in your future business.